Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Morning Saturday, September 14th. It took a lot of patience, remember, to finally see Bitcoin and especially altcoins rebound. We had July 5th, then August 5th, and almost September 5th. Incredible, we predicted this. It took these three big hits to finally get a rebound, and now we have a confirmed one. Altcoins are doing great with some projects exploding. Be careful not to chase green candles. When tokens jump 30, 40, 50%, it's not the time to ask if you should invest. We need to be cautious. Wall Street ends in the green. Reassured about the economy and inflation, though there weren't any major statistics today, but ultimately the markets have digested last week's unemployment data and the ECB's decision to lower rates. Don't forget, as we mentioned, the Fed and also the Bank of England next week, the day after the Fed. So for the S&P 500, up 0.54, which is pretty good, up 0.65 for the Nasdaq. And as I often say, when the Nasdaq and US markets close higher, it very often gives a positive momentum to cryptos. Impressively, gold is making another surge, contradicting the stock markets as both show significant gains. MicroStrategy buys another 18,000 bitcoins, which is crazy, for 1.1 billion. I don't know where it'll stop, as they now own 244,000 bitcoins, over 1% of all bitcoins on the planet. Is their goal to own 1 million? I'm not sure, but it's certainly a bold move they're making. When they started, no one believed in it. They were even warned by various entities in the United States. Now everyone's copying them. Companies worldwide want to replicate their model. What's amazing is that now their Bitcoin position is highly profitable. Their stock has soared. And what are they doing now? He's selling MicroStrategy shares to buy Bitcoin like a martingale strategy, creating a virtuous cycle. It's quite incredible. Next, WorldCoin is interesting. It's a project I've invested in that'll integrate with Solana, possibly speeding it up via Warmall. We'll discuss Warmall more in part 2. Then there's the SEC situation. I think Gary Gensler's job is at risk, regardless of which party wins. He'll likely be gone in 2 or 3 months, yet he's still suing Axie Infinity, Filecoin and Atom. It's bizarre. Just 2 months before the presidential elections. Doesn't make much sense. Speaking of elections, Trump's launching a crypto platform on September 16th, this Monday. I don't get it fully, and I don't have time to dig deeper, but it's pretty wild. If he wins the election, I think it could be chaos in the markets. Now, Polygon's migration is complete. If you're on Binance like me, you've received your POL tokens, but currently we can't stake them. Let me know if you hear of any staking options. In Brazil, the X ban is over. Elon Musk paid $3 million to relaunch X there. The market map is wild. Paul mentioned Polygonmatic's rebound. We're hopeful. Chainlink's also making a nice pair, forming a double bottom. Volume-wise, we're over $30 billion, good, but not exceptional. Where did we see exceptional volumes? Here at 103, not top 100 yet, but it's close. 610 million, up 50%, nearly 100% in a week. And the volumes are absolutely insane. 125% of capital changed hands thanks to Upbit's South Korean listing. For Bitcoin, the big change is we've confirmed an inverse head and shoulders pattern, breaking through the 50-day moving average. Next targets, 100-day MA around 61, 62K. 200-day MA near 64K. I think we're seeing a solid reversal, with the Fed likely being the final catalyst. Watch out for fake-outs, especially with Fed news. A sell the news event could happen, so be cautious. Tavo's looking great, breaking 50 and 100-day MAs. Beautiful pattern similar to Bitcoin. XRP seems ready to break out of this flag pattern, heading in the right direction. Again, I think the Fed meeting will be the trigger. CKB, incredible, just incredible. They didn't make such impressive candles in the previous bull run. It's exceptional. Look at the volumes. I think it might be there. Yeah, it's at least on this cycle. Very, very high, and we're about to break MM50, 100. Look, we even touched MM. What wouldn't surprise me, it'd be classic, is if we form a small flag and then head north again. But it's looking really good for CKB. Now, is it the right time to buy immediately? No, I made a video a few days ago. Don't hesitate to check it out. I said it was the time, the crypto opportunity of 2024, and it's up 100%. We need to be careful. Chainlink's showing a nice rise too, and we're seeing a clear double bottom. Lastly, I told you I'd put $100 on my small positions daily for about a month. Today, My smallest position is Warmall. We discussed it earlier. It completely crashed, then rose, arrived, and came back to 1.90. Imagine it's worth 20 cents now, so it's lost almost 90%. It's valuable, and for me it's dropped so much that I don't know how low it'll go, but I think the pattern's starting to look good. It's bottoming out. Anyway, that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and subscribe. It helps me tremendously. Have a great weekend. Ciao, everyone.